FIG stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting, easy to buy. We're breaking all that down in this very brief short 1-minute video, and as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Now I'm here to tell you that this last week was not the best, not the worst. It just sort of came down, and I don't doubt that next week we could be just clearing the liquidity out. I'm not even saying this like in a bad way, you know. Here's my bearish idea that I got, right? It was $89.50 a day ago, and then it slowly started coming down. Now, in all seriousness, the only thing that's going to make me be bullish on FIG is just a full candle close above $90, right? $90.77 or something similar. Other than that, Brand, I'm just going to sit here and just chill, right? I'm not going to just assume stuff. But if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails on Insight, then just click the first link in the description. It's free, and I'll see you in the next one.